Hello everyone.
In this video, we'll learn how to update the firmware on our Xiaomi Mi TV Stick device. You might notice sometimes that your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick isn't working properly, or some apps won't open or crash occasionally. This can sometimes happen because the device isn't properly updated and is running an older version. To check if our device is up to date and update it if needed, we need to follow these steps. First, from the main menu, go to the top bar and move all the way right to the settings wheel. Once in settings, access the device preferences section. In here, it's quite simple. Just look for the first option labeled information. And within information, as you can see, system update is also the first option. Once we enter, the system searches for updates, and in this case, I have all of them installed already, meaning your system is up to date. If your system isn't updated, you'll see a message about a new system update, and on the right side it will say Perform Update. With this process, the system gets properly updated and all installed applications should work correctly. It's important to keep this process in mind and always have your stick fully updated, as some features might stop working, or you might miss new functions if you don't have the latest update. Well guys, that's it for this video. As you can see, very simple and quick. If this was helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. For my part, that's all. As always, a pleasure, and see you in the next video.